SAWiE launched the Regenerative Agriculture Cotton Cluster. This transformative initiative partners with over 400 smallholder farmers across 3,000 acres in Bahawalpur region, revolutionizing cotton farming with sustainable practices to combat soil degradation and water scarcity. Through precision interventions, Regenerative Agriculture Cotton Cluster has reduced water usage by more than 50%, cut fertilizer costs by 48%, and achieved a 58% savings in land preparation costs. These innovations are critical in a region facing resource challenges, ensuring that farming remains both profitable and sustainable. Through techniques like raised bed planting, IPM, and farm composting, Regenerative Agriculture Cotton Cluster reduces water, pesticide, and fertilizer usage, improving soil health and boosting yield sustainably.
बताइएगा कि आपका SAWiE के साथ जो कॉटन का प्रोजेक्ट है उसका एक्सपीरियंस आपका कैसा रहा?
सारा एक्सपीरियंस ही चंगा रहे, सारा खर्चा भी बहुत घट है, पानी भी घट लगे, जेरी पैदावार है वो चंगी है।
Regenerative Agriculture Cotton Cluster isn't just about better yields, it's about building a resilient community. By empowering women and integrating sustainable practices, our goal is to support 10,000 farmers by 2026, enhancing soil health, biodiversity, and rural livelihoods. Our commitment extends to sustainability and transparency. With our traceability platform, every cotton product can be tracked from field to fabric, meeting global ethical sourcing standards. The Regenerative Agriculture Cotton Cluster is more than an initiative, it's a movement towards sustainable cotton that nurtures both land and livelihoods.